fast start, well, maybe I have to go and gas it up, of this beautiful V8. Hey, Jason here from JCR Cars. Welcome back to the channel. Today is the last day of the driving season for the Ferrari 328. Taking it back to my mechanics today, and tomorrow I'll be doing the same thing with the Testarossa. Seasons go way too fast here. It's only 6 months of driving, and then it's back to winter time, to skiing. My favorite hobby of all time. That's another story, but it is definitely a bittersweet day. But I'm looking forward to the drive back, and yeah, let's get going. On my way to my mechanic, Passione Sportiva, where the 328 and the Testarossa always spend their winters. It's also my mechanic, where they get serviced during the winter time, or ready for the next driving season. This car has been fantastic. As I said before, I put about 2,500 kilometers on it till now, which is probably about 1,000 more than I usually do, as I split it up between this car and the Testarossa. But the Testarossa being out of order with the clutch problem for a good 3 months meant that this car got more attention. And as I've always alluded to, this car really does tick all the boxes when it comes to living with it. Reliability, the experience, the fun of driving it. The 328 really is the better car. The Testarossa, when everything is working well, it might trump it a little bit just for the pure experience side of it. But this car, if you're looking for the best reliable first Ferrari, or Ferrari to have, especially if it's a classic, this is the one you want to get. Real highlights of this summer, I think it's probably just being on the type of roads that I have in my area. I didn't get to do anything particularly different or special, but every drive, honestly, in this car, where I live in the mountains of Austria, is always amazing. Actually, one thing I did get to do, I drove it for the first time on the German Autobahn after owning the other car for over 10 years. And getting to use it on the limited Autobahn was pretty cool. So that was probably the most unique experience of my summer driving time with this car. So look forward to the drive ahead. It's a nice fall day. It's not raining. The car's working well. It's up to temperature now. Got another hour to go. Let's see what other fun time we can have. Well, I hope you've enjoyed that video today, the relocation of the 328 back to my mechanic for the winter. It's bittersweet. I won't see this car on the road for another 6 months, but I have enjoyed it immensely this summer, and look forward to picking it up in May, the end of April next year. Until then, don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned. There's more things to come. Thanks for watching. That's a wrap.